Welcome to Tech Spectrum, where we review the top tech gadgets. In this video, we will be going over the top 5 GoPro cameras. Number 5, best budget camera, GoPro Hero 7 Silver. The GoPro Hero 7 Silver is our pick as the best budget GoPro camera. It has 62.3mm length, 44.9mm height, 28.3mm width, and weighs 94.4 grams. The device is equipped with a 10-megapixel camera that features wide dynamic range, so you can capture natural-looking photos with detail even in dark areas. It can record video up to 4K at 30 frames per second and 1440p at 60 frames per second, so you get crisp video that's as awesome as the moment itself. The camera has a speaker and 2 microphones. It has a 1,220 mAh built-in battery and is waterproof up to 33 feet. The touchscreen lets you swipe through shots and tap through modes quickly and easily. It has numerous features that enhance your experience. The GPS performance stickers let you track your speed, distance, and elevation, then add them to your videos in the GoPro app. Time-lapse mode turns long events into short, shareable moments. Voice control offers 14 commands when your hands are busy. Relive epic moments in all their glory with 2x slow-mo. Perfectly frame your photos and videos with touch zoom. Capture 15 or 30-second videos that are the perfect length for sharing with short clips. If you're looking for a budget camera to take on your adventures, the GoPro Hero 7 Silver is a great option. Number 4, best value camera, GoPro Hero 7 Black. The GoPro Hero 7 Black is our selection as the GoPro camera with the best value. It has 62.3mm length, 44.9mm height, 33mm width, and weighs 116 grams. The device is equipped with a 12-megapixel camera that features Super Photo to automatically make shots in any light look amazing with HDR, local tone mapping, and noise reduction. It can record video up to 4K at 60 frames per second and 2.7K at 120 frames per second. The Hypersmooth video feature gives you gimbal-like stabilization for insanely smooth video. The device features stereo audio and has 3 microphones. It has a 1,220 mAh removable battery and is waterproof up to 33 feet. The camera features a touchscreen and loads of features, including those found on the Hero 7 Silver. Voice control lets you go hands-free with 16 commands. Live streaming lets you share your adventure on social media via the GoPro app. Capture super stabilized time-lapse video as you move through a scene with time warp video. Ultra-high frame rate gives you access to 8x slow-mo. Face, smile, and scene detection tags your videos with faces and places. If you're looking for an affordable camera with tons of features, the GoPro Hero 7 Black will suit your needs. Before we continue with the list, take a moment to hit the like button. If you're enjoying the video so far, let us know in the comments below what you're currently using and if it's time for an upgrade. Number 3, best 360-degree camera, GoPro Hero Max. The GoPro Hero Max is our recommendation as the best 360-degree GoPro camera. It has 64mm length, 69mm height, 25mm width, and weighs 154 grams. The device is equipped with a single-lens Hero camera that can capture 5.5-megapixel Hero photos and a dual-lens 360 camera that can capture 18-megapixel spherical photos. The Power Panel feature lets you capture 6.2-megapixel 270-degree panoramic photos. The intuitive touchscreen lets you tap through 4 different lenses, including narrow, distortion-free linear, wide, and max super view to nail any shot you can imagine. You can also set on-screen shortcuts to your favorite features. The camera can record 360 video up to 6K at 30 frames per second and 3K at 60 frames per second. Max Hypersmooth delivers the smoothest video ever from a GoPro, and Horizon leveling feature is a game changer when activated. It has premium performance stereo audio and has 360 audio that uses 6 microphones. It has a 1600 mAh removable battery and is waterproof up to 16 feet. Use the Quick app to transform 360 footage into traditional videos and photos. Create mesmerizingly smooth time-lapse videos in 360 or Hero modes with max time warp. Use voice control to activate up to 12 commands. Live streaming in 1080p lets you share epic moments as they go down. Take jaw-dropping 360 photos or GoPro POV shots and use the photo timer to grab selfies or group shots. If you're looking for a 360 camera to capture the action, the GoPro Hero Max won't disappoint. Number 2. Runner-up, GoPro Hero 8 Black. The GoPro Hero 8 Black is the runner-up on our list. It has a 66.3mm length, 48.6mm height, 28.4mm width, and weighs 126 grams. The device is equipped with a 12-megapixel camera that features super photo and improved HDR to deliver detail you never thought possible. Use the touchscreen to tap through its available lenses ranging from narrow, distortion-free linear, wide to super view. The camera can record video up to 4K at 60 frames per second and 2.7K at 120 frames per second. It features hyper-smooth 2.0 stabilization with boost and horizon leveling. It has stereo audio and uses 3 microphones. It has a 1,220 mAh rechargeable battery and is waterproof up to 33 feet. The camera is compatible with various mods, including the Media mod that gives you a premium shotgun mic, Display mod that gives you a flip-up screen, and the Light mod that gives you a powerful LED lighting. The camera has all the features of the previous generations and improves on them. Time Warp 2.0 feature lets you get the surreal time warp effect you love. Live Burst lets you capture 1.5 seconds before and after you hit the shutter, so you can pick the perfect shot. Harness nighttime magic and watch the scene come to life with night lapse video. Control the camera with 14 commands using voice control. If you're looking for a camera that can keep up with you, look no further than the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification icons to stay up to date with the latest product reviews. And check out the links in the description to support the channel. Number 1. Best Overall Camera. GoPro Hero 9 Black. The GoPro Hero 9 Black sits at the top of the list as the best GoPro camera. It has a 71mm length, 55mm height, 33.6mm width, and weighs 159 grams. The device is equipped with a 20-megapixel camera that uses super photo and improved HDR to capture crisp, pro-quality photos. The camera can record video up to 5K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second, and 2.7K at 120 frames per second. HyperSmooth 3.0 with horizon leveling offers more stability when capturing the action. It has stereo audio and uses 2 microphones. It has a 1720 mAh rechargeable battery and is waterproof up to 33 feet. A new front display provides live preview for selfies, and a rear touchscreen delivers intuitive controls. The camera can use numerous mods, including the Max Lens mod that delivers max hypersmooth stabilization and max super view, the Media mod that adds a directional mic, the Display mod that provides an extra large flip screen, and the Light mod that gives you LED lighting. GoPro brought back the best features from the previous generations and added some new ones. Hindsight captures up to 30 seconds of footage before you start recording. The camera can capture up to 240 frames per second for an astonishing 8x slow-mo. Time Warp 3.0 records mesmerizing time-lapse videos with speed ramp to slow the action while recording. Schedule the time you want to begin your recording with scheduled capture and select the length of time you want to record it with duration capture. If you're looking for an action camera with all the best features, the GoPro Hero 9 Black is it. That's it for our list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links below to support the channel. Click the next video for more product reviews. Until next time, this has been Tech Spectrum.